Assalamu alaikum, my dear grade 5 students. Here is your English teacher, Ma'am Bushra. Hope you all will be doing good. Let's start our today's class. So just open your English language textbook. Okay. Open page number 13. Page number 13. Similes. Here is a topic by name similes. What are similes? A simile is a comparison between two different things. A comparison between two different things. When you are comparing two different things, then that is known as simile. Okay? It is used to state that a person, place or thing is like something else. When you want to state that a person or a place or a thing is just like something else, you will use a word for that, and that is known as simile. It is from the word similar. Okay? Just like when we say they are similar, they are same. Okay, so similes are the words which are used for comparison. Let me give you a few examples. For example, someone is beautiful and you say that she is as beautiful as a flower. Okay, or you say she is as fresh as a flower. So this is called simile. Look here, she is as brave as a lion. As brave as a lion. This is simile. Okay, you are comparing a girl with a lion. You are saying that she is just like a lion. In which attribute? In bravery. In bravery, she is like a lion. The second example is, her smile is like an angel. Now here you are comparing a girl's smile with that of an angel. Means her smile is very innocent, her smile is very beautiful. Okay? He is as cunning as a fox. Now here you are comparing a boy with a fox. In which attribute? In cunning. Like the boy is as cunning as a fox. Now all these are known as similes. Okay? So you can also say she is, her face is as round as moon. Okay? Or you can use any other similes in your examples, whatever comes in your mind. Share it with your parents, with your siblings. Here is a note written here, you can see. Remember, we usually use words such as like and as in similes. Which words we use? Like and as whenever we are talking about similes. Now come to the exercise. When you do your exercise, it will be more clear to you and you will have practice of similes as well. So exercise A on page number 13 is, complete the following similes by taking help from the word box given below. Here is a word box and we need to complete the similes by taking help from this box. As steady as a dash. As steady as a rock. Okay? As proud as a dash. Now, if you look towards this box, there are some words: feather, pancake, peacock, daisy, bird, tortoise, rock, bee, lightning and hills. Now as proud as a dash. Among these words, which one is known for proud? Peacock. Peacock is a proud animal. So you will write as proud as a peacock. Okay? As old as dash. So as old as, which word will be suitable? Which thing is old? Hills. Hills are old. So as old as hills. The fourth one is as quick as dash. Which noun is famous for being quick? Lightning. So as quick as lightning. The fifth sentence is as free as a dash. Now which noun is known for being free? Bird. Birds are known, they are famous for being free. They are free to fly anywhere, to go anywhere. So you will use this word for completing this simile. As free as a bird. The sixth word is as light as a dash. Now which noun is known for being light? Not heavy. Okay? Light means not heavy. So feather. Feathers are very light. So you will write as light as a feather. The seventh word is as fresh as a dash. Fresh. Which noun is known for being fresh? Daisy. It's a flower. Okay, daisy is a flower and it is a fresh flower. So you will write as fresh as a daisy. As flat as a dash. Now what is flat? Which noun is flat? Pancake. So you will write as flat as a pancake. As busy as a dash. Busy. What is busy? Which noun is famous for being busy? Bee. Yes, bee. So you will write as busy as a bee. And the last two is as slow as a dash. You all will know which animal is the slowest animal. Tortoise. So you will write as slow as a tortoise. So this was all about similes. I hope you would have understood it. And what is your homework task? You have to do the words opposites, which is on page number 12. Words opposites. You can see here. You will write these in your notebook. Okay? Buy. The opposite of buy is sell. Doubtful. Confident. Generous. Miserly. Starve. Well fed. Superb. Unimpressive. Wrap. Unwrap. So I guess these are 6 words which you will write in your English notebooks. Okay? I think it's enough for today. Thank you all. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.